617. If you like, you're gonna get it. This one's this is right. Thank you so much. New betting time. Greetings, people, to the board of the crazy time. Of course, me, Mr. Markey, leading that. You're easily. You can ask some questions. Maybe some just things if you need some help. Don't forget that. Like at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, right bottom corner, statistic, how to play, and the betting option as well available for all of you guys. Coin flip here is the 10x multiplier. Looks like it's possible, maybe. Coin flip 10x, stay it on. Let's go, people. Here we go. Here we go. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I love it. 10x multiplier for the beautiful coin flip. 3x this time on top and the 15 on the bottom. Looks like 30 against the 150, right? That looks beautiful. We're looking for the blue one this time, right? So, people, I wish you the best of luck this time as well. Good luck. Don't tell me what to do, like, just show me how it's need to be done. 150x multiplier was the blue side of the coin. Completed.
Congratulations, all of you. Kev, GK, Ken, Beta winners. We can do better. I wish you the best of luck betting time now. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, what's going on Friday, you guys? In Amsterdam, in Riga, in Milan, in Lima de Peru, in all these places. 5x on crazy time from the Top Slot TV. Oh! Can you dab for Latvia? I don't dab. Ask me something else, please. No, I don't dab. That's not how you treat your favorite singer. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Ah, yes! Woohoo! This is how we treat our favorite singers. Yes! Oh! Good luck! Spring over here. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to the crazy time. Whoa, yeah! Feel the vibes. Hey, hey. All right, guys. 5x. Oh, yes. 5x from the top. Oh, yeah. Kaji, what? Kaji, are you swearing? Ladies and gentlemen, please choose your team. You can see that doubles, triples are on the wheel. Yeah, so green, blue, or yellow. Also, it's available. Couple more seconds. And we are ready. Max multiplier 500x. Oh. Oh. Maybe a double. Ready for that double trouble. Double bubble trouble. Ooh! Alrighties, everybody. Blue team stays in the game. We double everything on a wheel. Woo! So for now, attention, 1000x max multi. Oh yeah. Well, maybe another double. Who knows? Come on, blue, 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 blue. Woo! Penguins! Woo! Double everything again! Oh yeah! Oh no! Woo! 2000x now! Woo! Yeah! Free the penguins! Yeah! Come on, blue! What's next? What's next? All right. Sit up. Thank you, everybody. Yeehaw! And welcome back, everybody, from the crazy time. Hello, hello. 4,672 winners. My congratulations to all of you in the betting time now.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.